Hi guys, thank you so much for watching my Edscape. Now behind me right here is Sungai Pisang, and I will show you how to get there. Let's go! So last time there is a penginapan here. There's a toilet here that you can do your cleanup, but now they tore everything down. I'm not sure why. So we are here today, we want to go to Sungai Pisang. So it's straight ahead over there. So last time here is all like a villa and resort, but then now they are trying to build the East Coast LRT. So that side is all green, here's all green, up here is actually a bukit, all green, but now they try to do the new train, and this is just all construction lah. Here also there used to be someone living here. It's a house. So this house, every time when you pass by, you go Sungai Pisang, you will see they will collect money from you, like 2 ringgit per person. But again, no more. I think one of the reasons is because blasting operation. So that's why they all have to move out. But very nice people. We need to go down this way. You want to go all the way straight, all the way towards the end. So this guy is new. This balak last time did not make the fall. Excuse me. Okay, so once you reach the wall, you want to go in. Okay, you can go in towards the end, or you can also go inside from here. But we go the end. So early part of the hike, you want to get your shoes wet, get comfortable, okay, because later there's a lot of river crossing also. So be careful because the rocks here are very slippery. Okay, this part here you want to be very careful not to step on the edge here, because last time my friend fell down here. It was funny, but it's okay lah. Once you fall down, not that bad lah. Your famous Terowong viral. Okay, so now we are here. We are going to go follow the river, but we're going to walk this side. Oh, oh, my shoelace broke. One shoelace left. Okay, continue. You want to remember to stay close to the river and also try to keep right, because at the beginning the river will split right and left, so keep right. But not to worry, there's a lot of tape for you to follow. This one. Yeah, so just follow the tape, you should be all good. Okay, this is where the river splits, yeah? So if you see closely that side, there's one river going there. This is the left side of the river which you don't follow. You go inside here, you won't see Sungai Pisang. So you remember, follow the tape. You want to go straight and keep right side. See all the hikers putting the tape for you at the front. Ah, spider web. Okay, my shoelace officially broke. Bad idea to get these shoelace. So actually these shoelace are meant for running, so that you don't have to tie your shoelace, and it's actually quite tight. But of course, if you wanna jump up and down and your legs stuck in the mud, so you pull the string too much, putus lah. I bought that like many years ago lah. I think it's about 3 years, something like that. Okay guys, follow the tape. See up there. We shall wait for our friend. Oh, see them, poor thing. Lucky my shoe not so bad. Okay, we're almost there. Once you have seen this broken tree, you just walk ahead. Sungai Pisang. Let's go! Hi guys, so right in front of me is the Sungai Pisang. I'm going to show you all how is the view up there. So you have to climb up, and this one is not for children, okay? Only the adults climb up, and then you climb down. Okay, let me show you. Thank you so much for staying till the end of the video. This is Sungai Pisang. Only a 1.8 kilometer hike. You should reach here about 45 minutes. So once you pass the Torowong Viral, make sure you follow the river on the right and you follow the marker very closely. You shouldn't go off. There are plenty of markers for you to follow. So if you don't see a marker, probably it's on the left or probably on the right. So this place is located at Gombak, just a half an hour drive from KL. If you want some healing, this is a very nice place lah. If you come on weekday, very quiet also. Also, I'm very thankful for the little doggo that followed me all the way up here. It is the first Pisang dog that followed me throughout my journey. Usually all the dogs will just lepak at the parking area, but this dog followed me throughout my whole journey, and I don't feel very lonely in this hike. So if you all want me to do any other hike of how to get there, do comment below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So this is Sungai Pisang. I hope you find this video very helpful, and I will see you in the next episode. So thank you so much for watching my Edscape. It is your turn to find yours. So hike safe, trail safe, and happy hiking!